Welcome back to Car Accessories. In previous video, you watched Tesla Model 3 Highland drivers improve your ride with the all-in-one Tesla Model 3 Highland USB hub. This custom-designed hub expands your USB ports, offers stylish lighting, and seamlessly integrates into your center console. Thus, B Hub is available on Amazon. In this video, let's see just how easy it is to add this USB hub to your Tesla Model 3 Highland. To begin the installation, let's access the lighting module. You'll need to locate the ceiling panel and carefully remove it to reveal the module. Let's get started by grabbing the adapter cable from the packaging. Transfer the original factory wiring harness. Configure the wireless control box for use. Carefully insert the adapter connector into the port. Hide the wireless signal control box properly. Reassemble the ceiling light with the module. Get the intelligent shift docking station ready for use. Connect the power cord to the cigarette lighter socket in your car. Mounting the docking station correctly for a stable connection. This perfectly fitting USB hub snaps securely into your Tesla Model 3 Highland center console, ensuring charging without hindering the storage box switch. Thanks for watching. Have a question about a gadget? Leave a comment below, and I'll make a future video. Stay cool.